Hi guys, good morning. Alam mo ba na worrying does not take away any future problem? Alam mo kung ano yung tinatanggal niya? Tinatanggal niya yung today's peace of mind. So, let me explain. So, as a human being, natural instinct na natin kasi yung mag-worry. And of course, mag-survive. But, worrying does not take anything away except yung mamblema ka sa mga bagay na hindi pa dumadating. Don't get me wrong, I used to be a warrior. To be example nga exactly, last year, I used to worry a lot. Why? Because nung nagsimula akong magpa-construct nung bahay ko, which I'm currently living it right now, ang dami kong what if mawalan ako ng work, ano yung pambayad ko sa bills, what if magka-pandemic ulit, like something like that. And to the point na God already whispered to me through pain. 2 to 3 times akong na-ER noon because of sudden stomach pain, because of stress. And then I realized that God is saying to me, why are you worrying so much? You've been through a lot, but look at you now. Survive all those years and hindi naman kita pinabayaan. Why are you worrying so much? Then I reflected, oo nga no, ang dami kong mas nagdaanan na akala mo hindi mo siya malalampasan, but then now, here I am, alive. Why am I worrying so much to the point that I'm taking away my today's peace of mind? So, nagkaroon ako ng bagong mantra na just for today. Kumbaga, just for today, if I have a place to live, I have a place to sleep, I have food on the table, I have job, then I'm okay. So, I don't need to worry. But of course, mindfully living na you are mindfully preparing for the future without taking today's peace. So, yun lang. I-try mo din yung just for today. Thank you.